Hey guys, I hope all is well. In today's video, I talk about marketing segmentation. It's a process of dividing a broad target market into smaller and more manageable groups based on a specific characteristic, need, and behavior. By segmenting your market, you can create more focused and personalized marketing strategies which can lead to better customer management and higher conversion rates. It is different in different countries. I mean, if you wish to become market leader within your niche, then you have to implement or have your head of marketing department to implement different marketing strategies in different countries and languages. It's not one-size-fits-all solution. The very first thing you do is market research. You begin with conducting thorough market research to understand your target audience. Then you gather data on demographics, psychographics like personality, lifestyle values, buying behavior, and any other relevant factors that might influence their purchase decision. Then identify segmentation variables. Once you have gathered the data, identify the variables you can use to segment your market. These variables can include age, gender, location, income, interest, behavior, or any other relevant criteria. So what is segmentation criteria? In here you choose demographic segmentation based on demographic variables like age, gender, income, education, and marital status, and so on. Psychographic segmentation is based on lifestyle, personality, interest, attitude, and values. Behavior segmentation based on buying pattern, user behavior, loyalty, or response to marketing efforts. Geographic segmentation based on locations such as country, region, city, or climate. Then the next strategy is creating the segments. Use identified criteria to divide your target market into these distinct segments. Each segment should be homogeneous within itself and different from other segments. So you have to aim for segments that are large enough to be profitable, but also specific enough to allow tailored marketing strategies. Then profile each segment. So once the segments are defined, create detailed profiles for each one. This should include a description of the segment's characteristics, needs, pain points, and preferences. The more information you have, the better you can tailor your marketing messages. Select target segments. Not all segments may be equally important or profitable for your business. Analyze the potential of each segment and prioritize those that align best with your products or services and business goals. Develop marketing strategies. Like I said in my other videos, when you create a marketing strategies, it should be tailored based on region and language and the pattern of interest within that region, area, and so on. Develop marketing strategy means that you have to consider the unique needs and preferences of each group and create content, offers, and promotions that resonate with the prospects. Implement and monitor. Put your marketing strategies into action and closely monitor the results. Use analytic tools and key performance indicators to to track the effectiveness of your campaigns in each segment. Then adopt and refine based on the data and insights you gather. You have to adopt and refine your marketing strategies for each segment. Consumer preferences, behaviors may change over time, so stay flexible and be ready to adjust your approach as needed. You see, marketing segmentation is an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring and adjustment. By understanding your consumers, your prospects, customers better, and tailoring your market efforts accordingly, you can enhance customer satisfaction and drive better business results. That's all for today, folks. Have a lovely day. Bye.